So, good morning, everyone. Let us start today's session. This is your computer organization class, and we are going to discuss about central processing unit. This is also most important for your curriculum. So here we are going to discuss about some general purpose register organization, stack organization, instruction formats, addressing modes, data transfer and manipulation, program control, and RISC, that is reduced instruction set computer. And CISC also there, that will be also discussed here. So these are the topic one by one we are going to discuss here. So this is a central processing unit, CPU. As you know, this is the main part of your computer. Okay, just like your brain of the computer. Without CPU, you can't do anything. Okay. So these are the major components. Okay, of your computer CPU. Okay, central processing unit. Control unit is there. As I mentioned earlier classes, control signals are generated and how they are connected, how many types of control signals are there, hardware and microprogram, how they are initiated, what are their advantages and disadvantages. So that is most important. Now here see, there are internally there are lots of register sets are there. When ALU performing some sort of operations that may be arithmetic, logical, okay, operations. Over there, some temporary register are being used by this computer. So these registers internally within the central processing unit, these registers plays an important role. You can use some memory from the outside of the CPU, but in that case, it will take much time and complexity will be more higher. So avoid that problem or that complexity, some register set built inside the central processing unit. So that is the register set, and this is the main ALU. Okay, over there some arithmetic and logical operations. So these are the major component of central processing unit. Now we'll go for general register organize. ये register set है यहाँ पे, so that we'll be discussing here. So by giving this example, okay, by working this principle, I'm just explaining here. See here, we are having 7 registers, general purpose registers are there. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7. Okay, so these are the 7 registers. Okay, these are the 7 registers. Now see here, ACLD. There is a decoder, 3 to 8 decoder. How many inputs are there? 3 inputs are there. Maybe I0, I1, I4, D0, D1, D2. Okay, so 7 lines are there. Though we have shown here only single line, but you must assume there are 7 lines. There may be 8 lines, but 7 lines are being used. Okay, here because it's a 3 to 8, or you can you can show 8 lines here, but within a single line, to avoid the complexity, we have shown here single line, but it is a combination of 7 lines. Okay, and because 7 registers are there, so the last one, that is the 8th number lines are not being used here. So out of 8, 7 lines, okay, are being used for loading. Whenever you are going to write something, listen carefully everyone, when you are going to write something, okay, so it may be in the register R1, you can write in register R2, you can write up to R7. That means you are going to loading. Okay, so for loading purpose, you have to select which register is being used. Okay, so if you place here 0001, so in that case R1 will be selected. Okay, if you place ACLD में 0010 010 so R2 will be selected. If you place here 011, so R3 will be selected. Similarly, if you place here 111, R7 will be selected. So by using this decoder, you are selecting these registers. Okay, among these 7 registers, and these are the bus lines. Okay, this is the buses. Okay, the bus line, bunch of lines. Okay, so this may be connected to the all registers, 7 registers. So suppose the data is here, that may be stored, okay, in R1. The data may be stored in R2, likewise R7, any one from your side. But where that data, that outcome, that output will be stored or loaded, that is selected by means of this decoder circuit. Understood? So ACLD का function क्या है मैं बोल दिया. Okay, so ACLD by bit combination of ACLD except 000, if you place 000, so in that case some other operation will be there. No register will be selected. So later I am talking about that. So from 1 to 7, if you place here, so R1 to R7 will be selected. So 7 registers are there. Okay, so this is a arithmetic logic unit, means some arithmetic operation may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, after completion of the arithmetic operation or logical operation, there may have some outcome. This is the output. That output may be temporarily stored within the CPU register. Okay, so for that purpose we are using these registers. Am I correct? Now, as I told you, how to select these registers? the bit combination of ACLD will select any one of the register among 7. Okay. Now, as you know, clock important. Whenever you are driving any flip-flop, register, counters, clock is important. So clock is there. Now there is a buses. Okay. So you are storing the data inside, and you can retrieve the data. You can take out the data from this side, this side, this side, this side, this line, this line, this line. So these are the communication buses. Okay. Now see, all the registers from R1 to R7 are connected to the multiplexer A and multiplexer B. All are common. Okay. All the lines are common and they are connected to A as well as B. So this is multiplexer A, this is multiplexer B. And what is the purpose of the multiplexer? Multiplexer basically sending the data, okay, one data among several inputs. You may have several inputs, but multiplexer will allow to go to the output only one. So that's why what you need some select input. Correct. So whenever you are having multiplexer, there must have some select inputs. Okay, as we know from the concept of digital electronic circuit. So here 3 select lines are there. Why it is 3? Because 7 lines are there. So by 3 select inputs, you can select 8 number of inputs. But you are having 7, so you need to use 3 bits. It may be 0 0. We don't have any register for 0 0 as I mentioned here. So from 0 0 1 to 1 1 1, if you place here, correspondingly you will select that corresponding buses of that particular register. If you use here 0 0 1, so in that case you will select this line. Okay, you will select this line. Okay. If you write here 0 0 1, so which line will be selected? This line. Okay, and that means this line, that line, that will go to the out. Okay. Similarly, 2, 3, and that is 7. The last one is 7. In that way, it will be selected. Correct. But if you okay, now similarly, यहाँ पे देखो select line B. So there also, by changing the bit position of the select line, you can select. Okay, you can select any of the 7 register. Same way, correct? Same way. So select B lines, select A lines. These are most important. Okay, for selecting multiplexer inputs. For selecting multiplexer input. Correct. If you place here 0 0 0 0 1, so in that case, that line will be selected. So correspondingly. Okay. So now suppose I am giving one example here. मान लो you are selecting register 1. Register 1 में क्या है? A है. Correct. और register 2 में B है. Okay. Now you have to add, isn't it? You have to add A plus B बनाना है. Okay. So that means यहाँ पे क्या है? R1 में A है. Listen everyone. और R2 में क्या है? B है. तो तुम क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? 0 0 1. सो A कहाँ आ जाएगा? इधर से A बस थ्रू यहाँ पे A आ जाएगा. ओके. नाउ कहाँ पे B है? R2 में. तो नाउ यू सिलेक्ट 0 1 0. ओके. सो ये B यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, यहाँ से थ्रू B पास, इसलिए B आ गया. नाउ यहाँ पे A प्लस B हो जाएगा. Arithmetic logic unit. So after that, the result, that A plus B, will come here, and you can store at R3. Okay, R3 में तुम a प्लस बी को रखोगे, मान लो a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू y, इफ यू थिंक लाइक दैट, सो R3 में क्या होगा, R3 में y होगा। ओके, सो सिलेक्ट R3, व्हाट विल यू डू, 0 1 1, so if you place your ACLD में 0 1 1, so then this R3 will be selected. So load lines, so that means you are loading y यहाँ पे y जा रहा है, R3 में घुस गया। So this is the way of operation as I mentioned. Okay, now if you select 0 0 0, okay, 0 0 0, so no one register will be selected if you press 0 0 0, because R0 नहीं है यहाँ पे। So in that case this input line will be selected. Listen carefully. If you apply 0 0 0 in ACLD में, if you write 0 0 0, then what will happen, this external input, that you will take the input from external side, not from the inside of the ALU register. This is the way. So here three major control lines are most important. One is ACLD, second one is ACMA, and the third one is ACLB. So if you have any doubt up to this, you can ask me the question. If you have any doubt, you can tell me how this operation is performed. Okay, this is most important. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So this is the case, how we are utilizing these general purpose registers, how we are utilizing these multiplexers. Okay, this multiplexer and this multiplexer, how to select different registers pairs यहाँ पे, or how to use this decoder, and okay, how you are taking the data from these register pairs and how you are loading the register. Okay, so everything I have discussed. So see, this is most important. This is most important. So this is the register set with common LU that I have discussed. Now this is the control word. What is that? This is the control word. Why it is so called control word? Because as I mentioned you, three major lines are there. One is select A, select B, select D, and other 5 number other जो 5 bits है, that is operation. That means that I mentioned you, I have taken A for the example. What I have taken that example, क्या लिए थे मैं, A लिए थे, and the second data was B. Now whether they are added together, they are subtracted, or they are multiplication, they are would be the multiplication process or division process, that you have to send the information to the computer. So that is the operation. Okay, that means addition. पहले हम क्या बोले थे, addition, add, तो add के लिए कोड होता है। ओके, add के लिए भी कोड होता है। और select A, select B, select D, कि क्या लिए थे, select A के लिए क्या दिए थे मैंने, 0 0 1, select B के लिए क्या बोले थे, 0 1 0, select D के लिए क्या बोला, R3 select किए थे, 0 1 1। नाउ ऑपरेशन मैंने बोला था ऐड के लिए क्या कोड होगा, मैं बाद में बताऊंगा। ठीक है, एडिशन के लिए ये 5 बिट कोड कितना होगा वो हम तुमको बोल देंगे, लिस्ट है वहां पे। तो ये 3 बिट है, सिलेक्ट है कितना बिट का, 3 बिट, करेक्ट, इससे 3 बिट 0 0 1। सिलेक्ट बी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम लोग रजिस्टर R1 सिलेक्ट किए थे डेटा ए के लिए, यहाँ पे हम लोग R2 सिलेक्ट किए थे, डेटा लिए थे, तो दैट्स 0 1 0, R2 के लिए 0 1 0। ना यहाँ पे हम लोग R3 सिलेक्ट किए थे, फॉर विच पर्पस, फॉर लोडिंग द डेटा। which was coming from the accumulator. This is your accumulator. Okay, this is your accumulator. Accumulator में जो डेटा था वो हम R3 में स्टोर किए थे. So to select R3, what will you do? 0 1 1. So 0 1 1. Okay. So this is the case, and operation क्या है? Addition. So in that way, so 3 bit 3 bit 3 3 3 3 9 and 5. So 14 number of bits, isn't it? So control over how many bits are there in control over? 14 number of bits. So in control over how many portions are there? How many partitions are there? Okay, how many partitions are there? 4 partitions are there. Okay, the first for selecting a multiplexer, second is selecting B multiplexer, that means first operand, second operand, and where you are going to store the result, that is select D. Okay, for loading. Okay, for loading, and this is the operation. As you have taken these two operand from R1 and R2, so in that case you have to select the operation, whether you are adding that to data or A minus is there, subtraction is there, or A star B, whether there is any multiplication or division is there. Okay, so what operation, what kind of operation you are doing, that information is given here. Correct. So I think up to this clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So let us go for okay. So up to this, if you have any doubt, you can tell me this operation and control word. Then we'll be moving the next case. Control word. Control word क्या क्या रहेगा? देखो, select A. This means this multiplexer. Select B. Then select D. And this operation. Operation में देखो, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 2 to the power 5. So 32 operations will be there. 32 operations. Mathematical, logical, arithmetic, different sort of operation will be there. Okay. So this is the case. Now my question is that I am asking you, select R2, यहाँ पे A है, R3 यहाँ पे B है, and now you make addition in LU and the result may be Y, and you store at R5. R5 में Y को store करना है, load. So what will be the control word? 4 partition is there. It may be the operation. This is operation. Okay, OPR. This is operation. This is your ACLD. Select D. This is select B multiplexer and select A multiplexer. So क्या होगा बोलो? R2 में A है, R3 में B है. Now you are storing the result R5. Okay, ऑपरेशन क्या है? वो एडिशन है. हम इसको कोड नहीं बोले हैं, तो ऑपरेशन में हम ऐड लिख दिया. Don't worry. As you don't know the code, so that's why I am helping you. You are writing addition here. Add. तो कोड क्या होगा वो बाद में हम लोग देखें. तो ये सिलेक्ट ए में क्या होगा बोलो? सिलेक्ट बी में क्या होगा? सिलेक्ट डी में क्या होगा बोलो? सिलेक्ट ए में क्या होगा? That means you are selecting multiplexer A. You have to choose first operand A, where it is R2. You have to select operand B, where it is at R3. सो हाउ टू सिलेक्ट R2? ACL में क्या होगा? ये वाला, अरे मुंह तो खोलो। ACL नहीं तो हम बोल के चले जाते हैं। ACL में क्या होगा? ACL में यू आर सिलेक्टिंग R2, देन यू आर सिलेक्टिंग R3। ओके, यहाँ पे A है R2 में, यहाँ पे B है, और R5 में यू आर स्टोरिंग Y। ओके, so what will happen if this is the case? So here, as I am telling you, R2, so it should be R2, so it should be 0 1 0. ACLB R3, so 3 means 0 1 1. And where you want to store the data, that is the result, R5 में। Okay, so this is the case. So you are selecting R5, so 0 1 0 1, so that will be the control word, that will be the control word। क्योंकि तुम R2 सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, R2 में A है, तो मल्टीप्लेक्सर A में तुमको R2 सिलेक्ट करना है। यहाँ पे R2 सिलेक्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे R3 सिलेक्ट हो रहा है रजिस्टर, और यहाँ पे R5 सिलेक्ट हो रहा है, क्योंकि जो रिजल्ट है वो R5 में रहेगा। ठीक है, तो R5 सिलेक्ट करने के लिए तुमको बीट पैटर्न क्या होगा? ACLD में 1 0 1 होगा। R3 सिलेक्ट करने के लिए 0 1 1 होगा, और R2 के लिए क्या होगा? 0 1 0 होगा। दिस इज द केस। ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई मैंने क्या बोला था, यहाँ पे मुंह तो खोलो रे बाबू। यहाँ पे A है, यहाँ पे B है। A कहाँ से आ गया? देखो A कहाँ में है? R2 में है, मतलब दिस लाइन। सो दिस दैट्स व्हाई यहाँ पे 0 1 0 होगा। ना R3 सिलेक्ट करना होगा, सिलेक्ट B में क्या होगा? 0 1, सॉरी R3 में होगा तो 0 1 1, ये R3 है, इधर आ गया। सो A आ गया थ्रू, यहाँ पे B आ गया, यहाँ पे एडिशन हो गया, A प्लस B इधर जाएगा। कहाँ में रखोगे तुम? 5 में रखोगे। तो 5 सिलेक्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे क्या डालोगे? ACLD में 1 0 1, बस हो गया। यहाँ पे 0 1 0, यहाँ पे 0 1 1, और यहाँ पे 1 0 1, बस। और ऑपरेशन में क्या होगा? ऐड होगा। उसका बीट पैटर्न क्या है वो बाद में बता दिया है। सो दिस इज द केस। ओके, so I have told you the function of the control word and the portion, what are the portion of the, what are the division of control word, and what is their applications. Okay, so that I mention you. So as I mention you, R1 R2 R3 तुमको सिलेक्ट करना है। R2 में फर्स्ट डेटा है, R3 में सेकंड डेटा है, वो एडिशन होगा और R1 में स्टोर होगा। तो ठीक है, तो वो I have taken R2 and R3 and result मैंने कहाँ पे रखे थे? R5 में रखे थे। तो you can store the results anywhere among these 7 registers. Okay, so don't worry about that. So that's why what is your first job? You have to select multiplexer A, then you have to select multiplexer B. Okay, if you multiplexer A always give you the first data, multiplexer B always give you the second data. Then ALU, that means operation you have to select, as I mentioned you. So what type of operation you are doing? यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या operation किए थे? Add operation. Okay, so that operation you have to select. The third one is gone. First, second, third. लास्ट में क्या होगा? वो जो रिजल्ट तुमको मिल गया एडिशन के बाद, that means maybe R2 plus R3, ये जो रिजल्ट है वो तुमको कहाँ पे रखना है टेम्पोरली? दूसरा जो तीसरी जो और ये R2 R3 छोड़ के जो जो रजिस्टर है उसी में से एक रजिस्टर को तुमको सिलेक्ट करना है। ये कहाँ सिलेक्ट किए हैं? R1 सिलेक्ट किए हैं। मैं कहाँ सिलेक्ट किए थे? R5 सिलेक्ट किए थे। सो इफ यू सिलेक्ट R1, इन दैट केस ACLD में 0 0 1 होगा, एंड आई हैव सिलेक्टेड R5, तो ACLD में क्या होगा? 1 0 1 बन जाएगा। यही था केस। तो ये 4 टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेप्स आर देयर, 4 स्टेप्स यू हैव टू फॉलो। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट फर्स्ट ऑपरेंड through multiplex array by selecting ACLA select lines. Now you have to select second operand, that is by means of multiplexer B selector. selector क्या है? ACLB है। तो यहाँ पे बीट पैटर्न होगा, तो ACL में बीट पैटर्न क्या होगा उसके लिए तुमको देखना पड़ेगा which register contains the operand A. Accordingly the bit pattern of the ACLA will be there. Now you have to select B data. Okay, so B data के लिए तुमको देखना पड़ेगा कहाँ पे तुम्हारा वो सेकंड ऑपरेंड और B कहाँ पे है। So according to that register number जो होगा according to that ACLB में वो डालना पड़ेगा। So in that way ACLB means A data और B data दोनों को सिलेक्टेड हो गया। वो कहाँ आ गया? A and B data they are moving to the accumulator. Now accumulator में आके क्या होगा? तो ऑपरेशन होगा, एडिशन होगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एनी अदर ऑपरेशन। जो ऑपरेशन होगा वो तुमको ऑपरेशन बोलना चाहिए कंप्यूटर को। सो फॉर दैट द थर्ड वन इज ऑपरेशन, यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द ऑपरेशन। ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैंने देखे क्या दिखाया था? 5 बिट्स आर देयर। ऑपरेशन के लिए 5 बिट्स, ACL में 3 बिट्स, ACLB में सिलेक्ट A में 3 बिट्स, सिलेक्ट B में 3 बिट्स, OPR में 5 बिट्स एंड ACLD में भी 3 बिट्स। ओके, ACE सिलेक्ट D में भी 3 बिट्स, बिकॉज आफ्टर एडिशन where you want to store the data or after operation, after performance of ALU, the result will be generated, and temporarily where you are going to store, that you have to understand first. Accordingly you have to give the select ACLD select lines. If you want to store in register R1, so ACLD में होगा 001. If you want to store in R5, so in that case ACLD होगा 101. If you want to store in R7, in that case ACLD होगा 111. So in that way these 3 and this last one, these 4 operation you have to follow one by one for ALU operation, and for using of all these register pairs that I mentioned you. Okay, and also I mentioned the word pattern and their functional activities. Okay, now control word. Okay, as I mentioned, you see here control word. Select A, select B, select D. This is your decoder के लिए decoder selection for loading the register. Select B for multiplexer B. Okay, for selecting B operand, this is multiplexer A, select line of multiplexer A for selecting first operand A operand. Okay, देखो ये 0 0 होगा तो कोई नहीं रजिस्टर सिलेक्ट होगा, करेक्ट। 0 0 होगा तो कोई नहीं रजिस्टर सिलेक्ट होगा, एज आई मेंशन यू। इफ यू प्लेस 0 0 0, that means externally input will be available, so that's why no register will be selected. Now if you want to select R1, उसका बाइनरी कोड क्या है 0 0 1, ओके करेक्ट। R2 के लिए 0 1 0, R7 के लिए 1 1 1. So these are the binary code for selecting R1 to R7, R1 to R7. But if you place 0 0 0, that will be select external input. You are not taking input from the register which is inside the ALU. Okay, so that is the case. So these are the codes for selecting a register inside the ALU. Okay, very simple. If 7 होगा तो 1 1 1, 5 होगा तो 1 0 1 होगा, in that way. Okay, in that way. Now come to the operation, okay, that I mentioned you. देखो operation OPR 0 0 0 0, that means transfer of A. You have to remember all these things, this operation table. Okay, you remember. देखो 0 0 0 1 होगा तो इंक्रीमेंट, 0 0 0 1 0 होगा ऐड, एडिशन। एडिशन के लिए तो ऑपरेंड में क्या होगा, एड हम लोग बोल रहे थे। एडिशन के लिए क्या होगा बिट पैटर्न 0 0 0 1 0, ये होगा, मीन्स 2 होगा। कंट्रोल वन मैंने दिखाया था ना, ये वाला लास्ट में क्या था, ओपीआर था, ऑपरेशन OPR। यहाँ पे क्या होगा एडिशन के लिए 0 0 0 1 0 2 होगा। और बाकी सारे को बोल दिया, ACLD क्या होगा, ACLB क्या होगा, ACLA क्या होगा, वो तो मैंने बोल दिया, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द register selection. Okay, so in the next class I will ask you, I will give you the register's name, and according to you have to frame the control word. यहाँ पे देखो माइनस के लिए भी क्या है, माइनस के लिए 0 0 1 0, डिक्रीमेंट के लिए क्या है, एंड ऑपरेशन के लिए क्या होगा, लॉजिकल एंड, लॉजिकल और, लॉजिकल एक्सक्लूसिव और, कॉम्प्लीमेंट। ओके, दैट मींस 1 0 0 1 हो जाएगा। कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए क्या होगा, राइट शिफ्ट के लिए क्या होगा, लेफ्ट शिफ्ट के लिए क्या होगा। तो इतने जो सारे तुम्हारा ऑपरेशन कोड है, ये तुमको दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो एटलीस्ट if a question come, at least 2-3 को तुमको दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा, so that you can take that example to write the answer. Okay, so these are the 5 bits operations, these are the 5 bit operations. Okay, you remember यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, इतने सारे जो दिया है, एटलीस्ट 4-5 को एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन को एटलीस्ट तुम दिमाग में रखो। तो ये है जो बोलने का जो मेरा एम है, वो है these are the to show you ऑपरेशन कोड। ठीक है, ये था तुम्हारा ऑपरेशन कोड जो तुम यहाँ पे दिए थे, ये देखो, ये जो है ऑपरेशन कोड है ना, ये ऑपरेशन कोड 5 बिट का, ये जो यहाँ पे। सो एडिशन के लिए होगा 0 0 0 0 0 1 0, दैट मींस A प्लस B होगा। तो सब डेटा तुम्हारा हाथ में है, सिलेक्ट A में क्या होगा वो भी तुम्हारा हाथ में है, सिलेक्ट B तुम्हारा हाथ में है, सिलेक्ट B भी तुम्हारा हाथ में है, और ऑपरेशन कोड को तुमको याद रखना होगा। तो अल्टीमेटली 3 with 3 with 3 and 4 5, so 14 number of bits are there, control R के लिए 14 number of bits are there. So up to this, if you have any doubt you can tell me. In the next class में हम लोग